Welcome to Cubevids. Basically, this is the new Android TV app for Fire Stick and Android TV. The Fire Stick is now obviously Amazon. I'm just going to show you. It's basically the same way that you have to do it for Amazon Fire Stick and the Android TV or Android TV boxes, or the fob you put into the back of the box. Anyways, let's make a long story short. And basically, I'll just click on the emulator because this is an emulator I'm using instead of the actual TV app, because I use this in creating the apps. We actually pay for all the copyrights on the movies and so forth. That's why we charge £3 for the month. If you want to watch the latest ones, there's a load of free movies there, hundreds and hundreds of free movies. So yeah, if you don't want to pay, that's near enough. But it just buys us a coffee, £3. Basically, I'm not sure what the others charge, like £12.99 a month or something like that. But anyways, as I say, we have to pay for it. So that's all we use it for, is to so we can bring this service and I can use it, and a lot of good friends and family can use it also. Right. Anyways, the first thing what you'd have to do is go over to your settings, and what you really want to do is scroll down, use your remote. I'll try and use it as much as I can. Device preferences. Apps. Click on apps, and then go down to security and restrictions. Open that, and then I think I've already activated this. Click on that, and it'll say allow unknown sources. Just allow that, and then basically scroll back and get back to the main home screen like this. What you've got here. What you want to do then is click on obviously you'll be logged in. I'm logged in here. And go to your Google Play Store, and in the search box, what you want to do is scroll over to your search, and I've already downloaded it, but just click in here, down loader, right, like that, simple as that, and then it should come up like this. And then what you want to do is you basically want to just scroll down and scroll down, install that. Give it a second. Mine's pretty quick. Open it up. Allow download. So yes, that's fine. And yep, that's okay. And what you have to do then is basically there's a link on. If you go to cubevids.com, just go and at the top menu, or it might be if you're on your mobile phone, there's like a little burger menu. It's like 3 lines. They call it a burger menu. Just click on that, and then basically scroll down, and you'll see that it says our apps, right? So basically what in there's a link, and it'll show you. Just basically put the link in here, or copy the link from here, which is easier. Cubevids, like that. Oh, actually, don't forget to put the HTTPS like this, cubevids.com, and then / and then basically Cubevids TV.apk. That's it, simple as that. You should actually get an error message saying that you need to, your Android TV needs to be authorized from downloader to install apps. So just click OK with that. It says here, for security reasons, your phone or TV app isn't allowing it to install apps from this source. You can change this setting. Just click that, and then that's basically the downloader. You just click it on, and then you click install, and then it's as simple as that. You've got it installed. It'll open the app, allow access. This is the good stuff. If you've already got an account, if you've already went on the website and so forth, you'll already have an account, so you can log in that way, and you just put the login details there. Or if you haven't got it, basically I'm just going to put a little test in here. I'll put tester 1. Then what we'll do there is email. Actually, I'll just put tester 1 again. Tester 1 at say Cubevids, because it won't accept external crap, if you know what I mean. It'll accept Google, Hotmail, and so forth, but you know, it just stops all the crap, all the spamming. And 1 2 3 4 5 6, that'll do. It's only a tester. And then basically, once obviously you would type it in here with your controller, from there, okay, it'll log you straight in. There you go, successfully registered. And here's the app, and I'll just show you a few bits and pieces. If you want to search a movie, just go up to the search, and obviously search one that you want. I'm not going to go through that. Actually, I'll just do it quickly. I don't know. Always, that'll do. What's this? Okay, I don't know what that was. Right. Anyways, mission. I'll just put mission. Right, and it'll come up with what's there. So, what you want to do, and basically you can just play it, or I'm not sure if that's a. Yep, that one's a freebie. Yeah, basically you should have it there, and it'll come back on it. There you go, full screen. Let's turn that up a little bit, and yeah, it's looking good there. Let's forward it a bit. That's it. Right, so from there, I think it's the reason why there's no sound is because I've got the mic on. Okay, and basically just let's double click back on this emulator I'm using. But anyways, all you'll have to do is do that on the controller, which is pretty simple. And then you've got your home, you've got your movies. You just keep clicking at the end of the movies, and it'll keep adding them. There's thousands of movies you can choose from, all the latest and so forth. You can search by the latest. I don't want to go on and on and on and on forever, but yeah, there you go. And yeah, there's some brilliant films here. I don't know. Natasha Salt. Okay, Tron. Let's try Tron. Play it. There you go. Simple as that. All brilliant movies. It'll obviously you know, come up there. There you go. Yeah. So if you enjoy it and you like it, be sure to pass it on to your friends and family, because basically we add many different new series. You can actually request, if you want a movie that you want to watch, you can actually request movies or series. We haven't actually added that to the TV box, but we will be updating it, so keep checking back to the website for that. You've got live TV, you can watch Blaze, and we've even got Pluto apps. You don't even need you can install the apps into this actual software. You've got genre, you can go by, you know, whatever you want really. Science fiction, war, fantasy. Just click there. Oh, we've got Happy Feet. Oh, I like Happy Feet. Right, anyways, thrillers, I don't know. Yeah, there's plenty of thrillers there. So I think there should be more on fantasy. I'm not quite sure. I think it might be fantasy and sci-fi. Yeah, there you go. Sorry, my bad. Yeah. So anyways, what we're going to do is just click back, scroll over, and yeah, you can do it by country. Obviously we haven't got many foreign films on there, but we will be adding them. Let's delete that, and delete that. You can actually delete all the old APKs, and yeah, that's perfect. And if you can actually see the apps down here, there's Cubevids. You can add all your other apps and so forth like that. If you want to add the downloader to the main page, you do that. Basically, you know, so if you want to install it, other apps, but be very, very careful, ladies and gents. I can honestly and truthfully say that our website has no adware. Even on the website itself, there's no pop-ups, there's no crap. What you see is what you get, and we don't, you know, like 99% of most websites, they're always trying to drag your information out so they can sell it to someone else. We don't do that. It really pisses me off, so I tend to try to, you know, treat others as I'd like to be treated. So anyways, I hope you enjoyed this tutorial, and it's pretty simple to use. Thank you ever so much for your time, and it's been a pleasure.